Police, and we're also calling Nicholas DeLeon.
Any objection from the defense to this witness being released?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am, for your testimony. You are released as a witness. You are welcome to remain in the courtroom, or you may leave the building. Thank you. And the next witness's name again, I'm sorry.
Nicholas DeLeon.
Okay, Mr. DeLeon, please.
Your Honor, I'm going to object to the testimony of the next witness because I believe it's cumulative. I don't think that he will be able to testify to anything other than it is.
I don't know who they are, so okay, tell me why it's cumulative.
Husband and wife.
Mother and father of the child.
Okay, it's just one witness. I'll allow. I mean, are you bringing out 5 relatives for the same time?
Absolutely not, Your
Okay,
Honor. Absolutely
you can
not.
come out
This is it.
overruled. Mr. DeLeon, please.
Do you swear affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Sir, please take the witness stand. Watch your step. Chair and microphone are adjustable. You may proceed.
Good afternoon, sir. Would you please tell us your name?
Nicholas DeLeon.
Mr. DeLeon, just a reminder that we're not using the names of any children at all, including your own. But do you have a daughter?
I do.
And what are her initials?
SD.
And where did SD attend school?
Richneck Elementary.
Okay. And are, as of January 3rd, 2023, were you, let me ask the question like this. Who is SD's mom?
Megan DeLeon.
Thank you. Between the time of January 6, 2023, before and after, were there any changes that you noticed in your daughter SD after that hadn't been there before?
Yes.
Could you just describe what you personally noticed or observed, but not anything that she said to you?
I noticed that she was anxious, depressed, very not like herself, as in being quiet, distant, couldn't sleep.
How long did that persist?
Quite some time.
Okay.
Months.
Okay. Did you and her mom seek any sort of treatment for her?
Yes, counseling and sort of counseling.
Has it helped?
I think it's hard to say at this point. She's still going through counseling. It's been up and down, I think, with her.
All right. And just to confirm, whose class was SD in?
Zwerner's.
And was that at Richneck Elementary?
It was.
All right. Thank you. I don't have any other questions for you. Please answer any from defense counsel.
Good afternoon, Mr. DeLeon. All right. You mentioned your daughter SD. You don't have any knowledge of whether SD was in the classroom when Ms. Zwerner was shot, do you?
I was not there in person, but that is her classroom.
I understand. But you don't have any idea whether she was actually in the classroom, correct?
From what I understand, that she was in the classroom.
And what are you basing your understanding? Is that from somebody told you?
Again, I was not there.
Okay.
I can't verify that. But
So you can't verify that. I'm not asking you to tell me what you were told. That's hearsay. Okay? Now, you are aware that your wife, or I don't know the status of your relationship, but Megan DeLeon has filed a lawsuit on behalf of your daughter in this courtroom, correct? I mean, this courthouse, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And that you're aware that Dr. Parker is a named defendant in that lawsuit, correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And you're aware that money damages from Dr. Parker are being sought in that lawsuit, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And so you have a financial interest in a criminal conviction of Dr. Parker, correct?
I don't. It's on behalf of my daughter.
Oh, so you believe your daughter has a financial interest in the conviction of Dr. Parker?
Today, that's a separate case.
Just answer my
That's
question.
a separate suit.
Answer my question. Do you believe that your daughter has a financial interest in the criminal conviction of Dr. Parker?
Today, I don't believe so, no.
Do you believe that a criminal conviction of Dr. Parker will help in that civil lawsuit?
Objection asked and answered. He said no.
No, it has not been asked and answered, Your Honor. I asked a different question.
Well, it's a different question, and I think you already answered it. Are you asking his answer to be struck?
Yes, it's irrelevant and duplicate.
Overruled, and your answer was no, sir, if I heard you correctly?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
No further.
Questions?
No further questions, Your Honor.
Any redirect
No, Your Honor.
and status of this witness?
I would ask that he be released.
Any objection?
No objection.
Okay, thank you, sir. You're excused from your duties as a witness. You may stay in the courtroom or leave, as you see fit. Next witness?
Commonwealth will call Tanisha Richardson.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And watch your step, and your chair, microphone, are adjusted.
Good afternoon. Would you please tell us your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Tanisha Richardson.
Ms. Richardson, do you have a child?
I do.
And in January of 2023, was your child in school?
Yes.
What are your child's initials?
KS.
All right, and just as a reminder, we're only using initials, not names today. Where was your KS in school?
He was in his classroom. He was in first grade in Ms. Zwerner's class at Richneck Elementary.
All right. And did there come a time earlier than normal on January 6, 2023, when you had to go to the school, Richneck, to pick up KS?
Yes. I received notice that there was a community post on social media that there was a heavy police presence at the school.
Okay, let me stop you there. You're okay. Just let me ask you questions and I'll walk you through it, okay? So after you saw what you saw online, did you go to the school?
I did.
Were you eventually reunited with KS?
Yes.
Could you describe, without telling us anything that he said, could you describe his demeanor, how he appeared to you when you first saw him?
He was very tired. He was cold. And he was ready to get home. He was just really exhausted from the day.
Yeah. Did you notice any changes in his behavior after January 6th of 2023 as opposed to before?
Yes.
I want you to just describe what you were able to notice as his parent that changed after January 6, 2023.
Caden experience, oh, sorry.
It's okay,
My
I
son
understand.
experience.
And the news is directed to, they'll tweet that, so it's not going to go out to the press. I just wanted to assure you, we will catch it.
Thank you, I'm sorry. Bedwetting, stomach aches, headaches, school avoidance, just a general anxiousness, just extreme fear, as well as hypervigilance.
When you say school avoidance, can you kind of describe to me what that means?
He was literally afraid to return to school.
How long was he afraid to go to school?
I would say until at least the end of the school year of that year.
Did you seek any type of treatment for KS?
I did.
Okay. What did you seek?
He actually had a psychologist initially, and then he also attended CBT therapy with a counselor weekly.
And how long did that go on, and is it still going on?
I would say it lasted about 1.5 to 2 years, and we stopped it since then because his therapist went to a new practice.
Okay. Do you think that it has helped KS?
It has helped.
Good. Thank you. I don't have anything further for you. Thanks.
Good afternoon, Ms. Richardson.
Good afternoon.
You currently have a civil lawsuit pending in this courthouse, correct? Regarding the incidents of January 6, 2023?
Yes.
Okay. And you've also, in that lawsuit, you've named Dr. Parker as a defendant, correct?
Unfortunately, I'm not. I don't feel comfortable discussing the details of that in this arena.
Your Honor, I'm just going to renew my prior objection. I understand the court's rule on the issue.
So the court will overrule the objection. It's appropriate to be discussed. So if you could please answer the question. Repeat your question, Mr. T.
Thank you, Your Honor. In the lawsuit that you currently have filed in Newport News Circuit Court, you have named Dr. Ebony Parker as a defendant, correct?
Correct.
And in that lawsuit, you are suing Dr. Parker and the other defendants for money, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you and several other parents share the same attorney, correct?
That's correct.
And you believe that a criminal conviction of Dr. Parker will help in that civil lawsuit, don't you?
No.
Okay. Have you made any other demands of Dr. Parker or the other defendants?
No.
Okay. Do you know when that lawsuit is scheduled to go to trial?
No.
Okay. When was that lawsuit filed?
I believe it was February of 2023, maybe.
February 2023?
I don't know.
Okay.
I think it might have been.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Just a couple of more questions for you. As a result of the incident on January 6, 2023, and all of the things that your son has done, have you spent money?
Yes.
I'm going to object to go beyond cross-examination.
I think that's right on point with the cross-examination. He asked if she was seeking money in a lawsuit, and I think it's very fair for me to ask if she also spent money as a result of the incident.
I'll allow it. You may proceed.
Did you spend money as a result of what happened to your son?
Yes.
All right, thank you. I don't have anything further.
Anything further for this witness?
No, Your Honor, I ask that she be released.
Any objection to her being released?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You are excused as a witness. You may stay in the courtroom or leave the building. Next witness.
The next witness will be Ramon Gonzalez. Your Honor, I anticipate having this witness plus one more.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Please take the witness stand, watch your step, answer questions for counsel. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Would you
Good
please
afternoon.
tell us your name?
My name is Ramon Sebastian Gonzalez Hernandez.
Thank you. And I would like to just a quick reminder that during this trial, we're not speaking the names of any children at all and only using initials. Do you have a child?
Yes, sir.
What are your child's initials?
GG.
And did your child attend school, did Gigi attend school in January of 2023?
Yes, he did.
What grade was he in?
First grade
And where did he attend school?
at Richneck Elementary.
Do you know who his homeroom main teacher was?
Yes, I do.
Who was it?
Abigail Zwerner.
All right. Did there come a time on January 6, 2023, when you had to unexpectedly go to Gigi's school, Richneck?
Yes, I did.
And when you arrived at the school, did you immediately see Gigi?
No, I did not.
Okay, stay with me and let me walk you through it.
No
Okay. So, eventually, did you see Gigi at the school?
Eventually, yes.
And when you saw him, could you please just describe, without saying anything that he said, describe his demeanor, how he was acting, and how he appeared to you?
He walked out of the school with a look on his face like he had seen a ghost, pretty much. I was crying myself. He wasn't crying, but he was in shock, like complete, utter shock.
Okay. And from that moment forward, did you notice any changes in behavior from Gigi as opposed to before January 6th?
Yes, at home he was a little bit snappier with his brother. Whenever they would argue, he would be a little bit more aggressive. Other things like he had to sleep with him every night because he just felt more comfortable. Bedwetting almost every night. Things like that.
And were all of those things new after January
That was
6th?
that was new after that.
Okay.
He loved to sleep by himself before that.
And did your family seek some help and treatment for Gigi?
Yes, we did. Right after the incident, we went, I want to say 2 or 3 times, and he was very adamant that he didn't want to go because, we wanted to keep his life as normal as possible after the incident. So wasn't trying to force it down his throat. You know.
Okay. And has he, at any time between then and now, has he sought any treatment beyond that?
Not since then, no.
Okay. And how long did any concerning behaviors that you've described last?
It still lasts to this day. Getting better gradually, I think. But still, he has a lot of mood swings, and the whole big wedding thing that happens. Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Did your family incur any expenses as a result of this
As far as with the
for Gigi? as a result of this? Did you have some expenses?
No, with the therapy that was provided, so we didn't have any expenses as far as that.
Okay, thank you. I don't have anything else for you.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gonzalez.
Good afternoon.
You weren't at Richneck Elementary School on January 6, 2023, correct?
I picked up my GG that day.
But you were not inside of the building, correct?
No.
You learned about the shooting after the fact, of course. Did the school contact you at the time of the shooting?
No. I had a friend of mine, a coworker, contact me and told me about the shooting.
But did the school ever contact you?
Afterwards, yeah.
How long after?
I would say hour and a half.
Okay. Your child was not in the classroom where the shooting occurred, correct?
Yes, he was.
Okay. And you're saying he was a student in that classroom?
He was a student in Ms. Zwerner's classroom.
Okay. And you filed a civil lawsuit in this case, stemming from the events of January 6, 2023?
I don't feel comfortable talking about that.
Your Honor, I'd like to note my continuing objection.
Okay, so noted. Sir, you need to answer the question, please.
Yes.
Okay. And you have named Dr. Parker as a defendant, correct?
Yes.
All right. You're seeking money damages from Dr. Parker in that case, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And a criminal conviction of Dr. Parker would be helpful to that lawsuit, wouldn't it?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
Anything from Commonwealth?
No, Your Honor, I asked that he be released, please.
Any objection from defense?
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir, for your testimony. You may step down, and by release, you can leave the courtroom or stay in the courtroom, but you're no longer needed as a witness. Thank you.
And the Commonwealth will call Sarah Gonzalez.
Your Honor, again, we're going to object. This is a duplicative witness. That adds nothing to the case. This is the last other parent of the child, the second parent of the child.
So noted, overruled. You can bring out the witness. Thank you. And this is the last witness?
This is the last witness, Your Honor.
I'm not going to, I'm just trying to line up.
I understand. I understand. I will take a moment to double check that this is
Understood.
that we're
Understood.
ended, but yes.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Thank you, ma'am. Please take the witness stand and watch your step. Chair and microphone are adjustable. You may proceed.
Good afternoon. Would you please tell us your name?
Hi, Sarah Gonzalez.
Ms. Gonzalez, do you have a child?
Yes,
Remember that we're only using initials or referring to your child as my child. What are the initials of your child?
G.
And who is Gigi's father?
Ramon Gonzalez.
Okay. I want to take you to January 6 of 2023. On that afternoon, where were you when you first see Gigi?
After the incident, when I saw him,
When you first see him on January 6, 2023.
at our home,
Okay. When you first see him at your home, is it still on January 6?
yes,
And do you know roughly what time it would be?
it was in the evening.
Okay. Could you just describe for me, without telling me anything he said, but Could you describe his demeanor, how he appeared, and how he was acting toward you?
When my husband came home with him in the car and he came out, he was like he had seen a ghost, kind of. He was white, and his eyes were very big, and he was just kind of, I've never seen that look before, but he was kind of like he was in shock.
Okay. Were ongoing after that day, were there any issues with Gigi that you noticed that were different than prior to the January 6th?
Yes.
Describe those to us.
He couldn't sleep by himself anymore. He had to sleep with someone else, and it just is, to this day, he still sleeps with his older brother, and he just refuses to sleep by himself. And he frequent bedwetting started occurring after that, and frequent bouts of losing his temper, and just becoming angry, things like that.
Yeah. And for how long did those things last?
For a long time. It's improved.
Mm-hmm.
I would say, but it still occurs. It was very frequent after that for quite some time.
Are there any other major life adjustments that your family had to make as a result of what Gigi went through?
Just trying to internalize it and move forward, and it's the impact on my husband and myself. It was pretty significant and caused a lot of anxiety, and
Honor,
just
that seems relevant to the impact on ball.
I agree, Judge. We won't go down that road.
Okay, so we won't consider that just to the child. Next question.
I don't have any more questions. Thank you so much. Please answer any questions from defense counsel.
Good afternoon, Ms. Gonzalez. You have filed a civil lawsuit in this courthouse as well regarding the events of January 6, 2023, correct?
I don't feel comfortable speaking on that as it's relevant to my son.
Okay, objection noted, and you do need to answer. Please, repeat the question.
You have filed a civil lawsuit related to the events of January 6, 2023 in this circuit court, correct? And you have named Dr. Parker as a defendant in that matter, correct? And you're seeking money damages from Dr. Parker and the other defendants, correct?
Am I still liable to speak on this?
Yes, ma'am, you need to answer the question.
Yes.
Okay. In fact, you and several other parents are represented by the same attorney, right?
Objection, Judge. That is not who they are represented by in the civil suit. It's not in any way relevant.
Response.
I think it's relevant. We have a series of witnesses, all filing civil lawsuits, and represented by the same attorney. I think it's totally relevant to these proceedings.
And I object to counsel saying they're all represented by the same attorney. He's not testifying.
Correct, that's not evidence.
Well,
And I'm going to sustain the objection. Who their attorneys are is not relevant. But, that there's a lawsuit is relevant for cross-examination. Next question.
And a criminal conviction of Dr. Parker would help in that lawsuit, right?
Imagine.
What was your answer? I'm sorry?
Yes.
Okay. So you have a financial interest in these proceedings, right? I'm sorry?
I imagine that's part of it, yes.
Okay. No further questions.
That's all for this witness, Judge, and I would ask that she be released.
Any objection? Okay, ma'am. So you are excused from being a witness. Thank you for your testimony. That means you can stay in the courtroom or you may leave. And watch your step as you step down.
Judge, may I have just less than 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
To confirm.
You can step down. Thank you, ma'am. And the sheriff will direct you.
Your Honor, the Commonwealth press.
Your Honor, we will have motions to strike, but I do want to take time with my co-counsel and the defendant to make sure that we're have every base fully covered. So I'm going to ask the court to consider going in recess for the remainder of the day, and then we'll come back first thing tomorrow and make our motions and present any evidence on behalf of the defense.
Commonwealth, in terms of proceeding in that chronological fashion, your position.
I'll submit to the court.
Okay. All right, so to the jury, we take up the motion to strike outside the presence of the jury. It's 4:25 today, and they're asking to do so in the morning. So I will kindly ask you all to report back and would you like the jurors to report? What time is the council prepared to do motions to strike in the morning? 8:30 or 9? And I'll give that an hour and ask the jurors to report an hour after that.
Any time is fine for you.
Understood.
Your Honor, we can be prepared for 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Say that start at 9?
Yes, for motions to strike, yes.
For motions, and ask the jurors to report at 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so thank you again for day 3. You have the same cautionary instruction. Please do not discuss the case, research the case, allow others to discuss it and or share their discussions, their thoughts, and opinions with you. I know that's hard. I know this is a high-profile case, but that is important to the integrity of the process. And please report at 10 a.m. Are there any issues, anything I can assist you all with? Okay, and last, please, I will not be able to court to provide lunch tomorrow. My assistant's off. And she's the one who, while we're here, actually goes to pick it up. So bring your lunch or be prepared to go out to get food tomorrow. All right? Thank you very much.
Please rise for the jury. Make sure you use your notebook.
Thank you, Sheriff. Anything else from the Commonwealth of Defense to take up before we make our evening recess?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess. Thank you. See you all at 9 a.m.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, and if they'll come,